If you're a beginner at canoe camping, Provincial Park is the #1 spot. Grab all your canoe rental equipment from the lagoon, then it's off to Joe Perry Lake. Using the Garmin app, tracking our paddling, we were able to get to our campsite in roughly about 3 kilometers. Our site was just off of a cliff, and probably my favorite campsite that we picked for the year. There is no bear box on this site, so we had to hang our food. And it's bear proof.
Nope, bear proof. Nope, nope, turn it around, turn it around. Yeah. What type of canoe is this?
It had the name on it.
We both only had enough time off of work to do a one-nighter, but this was well worth the 3-hour drive from Toronto.